Okay, guys. So I've got some very good news, and this is for staff only. If you want, you can see it as well. But yeah, I just wanted to say we've got a new plugin installed to the Void Network. It hasn't actually been added yet, but I want to show you very deeply, and you know. But basically, on to reload the server. So this is my test server. It's not going to be revealed because obviously it's a test server. No one should be able to go on it. It is a test. So what we do is we test the plugins and such. Now, if we do such about, I can even confirm it is actually made by me. If we do such about VM servers allows transfer between servers using a simple command. Now there's two ways you can transfer to that server, and I'll show you all the commands in this video. So if you do /servers, So if you do /servers, allows you to see a list of servers you can teleport to. So now we have a cool based thing here, a list of servers we have installed for you. You've got factions, /server factions, teleport to the faction server, but there is another one I want to show you in a second. Prisons, /server prisons, teleport to the prison server, kit PvP, and so on, and HCF. We're going to add more as we go along in the network. We're probably going to add /server hub as well, or /hub, maybe soon. But yeah, for now we're going to keep these four. So if we do /HCF, it will teleport us specifically to the HCF server. If we do /server prisons 3, you can do this. One way you can do /server prisons, which will transfer to prison server. Obviously, it's currently whitelisted, so it will not let me join. So we're still working on it. But yeah, if we teleport back to the test server, there's another way you can do it. I'm going to show you is an example of this, for instance. And then there's another way you can do /prisons for short. So you can either do /prisons or /server prisons. Now this is basically, well, based off a PC plugin. I don't know if it's a plugin, but it's part of Bungie called. And we basically ported some of it to the Pocket Edition version, which is pretty awesome in my opinion because it is basically not exactly like the color wise, but it's, the way it functions is kind of similar. If you do /server, it says please use /server name to teleport to a server and use /servers to get a list of servers. And again, if you do /servers, it says what servers, but obviously it kind of tricks you there because I'm probably going to add away, so it will message saying I'll use /factions or /server factions, but I don't know, we'll add that for the future. Now I'm going to try and show you the code if I can before we do end the video. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. Let me just that wrong bit. Oops. Hold on. Where is it? Boy, come here. Okay, now I'm just going to show you on here. So if we go to the tutorial, this is basically what I've made. Now ignore all of this. Just ignore all of that. Basically, this is the one we want to focus on. So if we open a new folder, hold on a second. Let's go with. Oh god, ignore that. If we go with this, oh no, sorry, I'm still getting used to the PC and also, yeah. If we go here, and then where it says, I haven't renamed the project yet, but whatever. So yeah, if we go to the plugin.yml file, I'll show you a bits of pieces. I'm not going to show you the exact what they do, but I just want to show you that I did code it. So there's the name VMServers, which is the name of the plugin that we use. It is currently private. I mean, you can get it, but we're not allowing you to get it in other words. So if you get it, we may take down your server or whatever. A version 1.0.0 API, which is the API of the version of the server that Pokemon uses, and it's 3.0.0 Alpha 12 and Alpha 13. The reason I put Alpha 13 on it is because Pokemon may release Alpha 13 very soon. So I just thought, why not put it there in the meantime, just so we don't have to update it every time, and So we're basically getting ahead of ourselves. That's pretty awesome. And then the main, which is the main file the server's going to locate at, the PHP the server's going to locate at. Author, which is Zio. Oh, I could have put my actual username, but it really doesn't matter. So yes, it says description allows to transfer between servers using a simple command, and then command/servers allows you to see a list of servers you can teleport to, and server description choose between servers throughout the Void network. Now, if I go through, hold on a second. Oh god, just ignore all of this. Just don't go asking. See, if we go here and we go here, these are the functions, not the functions, these are the commands. So you got factions, prisons, kit PvP, and HCF. So there's two ways you can do it, as I stated in the video earlier. And this is the main folder that it's located at, and namespace is servers, so the file located at. You don't put the main.php because if you do, then it will not function function. It's basically namespace of the folders, not the files. So you've got class main extends plugin base. Now plugin base is basically where it will enable the plugin and all that kind of stuff. Public function on load, which is basically if you don't want PocketMine's default loading message, you can put public function on load. Now void is basically a new method of the PocketMine. This get server get logger. Please plugin loading. Please wait while it loads onto the server. And you've got all of this public function on command. So yeah, you've got pretty awesome things, and these are the teleportation of the thing. And yeah, and then return true is the method for on command. If you guys enjoy it, leave a like, and I'm sorry I didn't get to show all of it. I'll thank you guys for watching. Have a awesome day, and peace.